Good morning, guys. God damn, it's early. I'm still asleep, but alright, man. We're off to an adventurous fucking day today. We're actually gonna go get that pipes done finally. But yep, it's gonna be exciting. Alright, we'll see you guys on the road. Halfway down with the thing, my boyfriend hooking it up, but dude, we're about to test find it without the pipes on, so let's see and look at it. You dope as hell.
You're recording? Hey, we're here live from an army post near you. We just took the muffler off. Just focus. RS. Yeah. Dirty gains.
Okay guys, this is the initial startup of the RS with the new muffler delete. I suggest it, it's fucking great. Ouch, my fucking ears. I love it, dude. Oh my god. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to stick around and stay tuned, check out after the video. I'd always put something down that's happening the next day or recently happened or something interesting. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys later.